Wine often feels complicated, but today let's make it simple. By the end of this video, you will understand the basics so well that you can read any wine menu with confidence. Wine feels confusing because there are too many types, too many reasons, and honestly, too many opinions. Most beginners get overwhelmed because they keep ordering the same wine every time. But wine doesn't have to be intimidating. Here is the simple truth. Wine is just fermented grape juice. Grapes, yeast, and alcohol. That's it. No chemicals needed, no drama required. To understand wine quickly, start with the two big categories. Category number 1, still wines. Red, white, or rosé. Category 2, sparkling wines. Champagne style bubbly wines. Now, the four elements that define any wine is sweetness, means is it dry or sweet, the acidity, the freshness that you feel on the mouth, tannins, the dryness or the slight bitterness mostly found in the red wines, body, whether the wine feels heavy or light. Every wine in the world can be understood through these 4 points. If you want to decode 80% of the wine menu, try to remember these big 6 grapes. Reds, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot and Pinot Noir. White, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc and Riesling. If you remember these, you know more than most of the beginners. Now, how do you taste wine like a pro without acting like a wine snob? Simple. The color tells you about the age and style. Smell the aromas, take a sip and notice the sweetness, acidity, tannins and the body. Then ask yourself, did you enjoy it? Because end of the day, it is your palate that matters the most. Next time you visit a bar or a wine shop, pick one grape from these big 6. One new wine every month. Make quick notes and the confidence starts building automatically. Avoid the common beginner's mistake. Don't choose the wine by the price. Don't assume that expensive means better. Your preferences will evolve as you will taste more. Once you understand these basics, wine stops feeling confusing. You can read any wine list comfortably, pair wine with food logically, and explore global wines without stress. Wine becomes less of a mystery and more of an experience. If you want part 2, wine reasons, aging, and food pairing, let me know in the comments. Until then, enjoy your wine journey. One glass at a time. Thank you.